Last ball, 6 to win. Down leg side, they'll get a leg by, but listen to the roar of the Bangladesh Tigers. Exceptional win, Tamim Iqbal. You have led your team superbly well here. You have won a game you had no right to win. This is new Bangladesh. This is pacey Bangladesh with attacking, aggressive batters who feel like demons. What a win for the 4,500 people. What a win for the tens of millions back home cheering on at midnight. Shamanai, gosh, your first overseas tour as commentator. What a game to be involved in.
Couldn't have been better. What a series to be involved in. ICC Men's World Cup Super League. We've seen 320 being chased in the second ODI, and now they've defended 270. What a turnaround. Salute.
Well, the Fizz, you have to give a lot of credit to the Fizz. Wasn't selected for the first 2 games. That hurts as an experienced star player. That hurts. The Fizz came back in and picked up 4 wickets. Absolutely. You take your cap off to Mustafizur Rahman, because he would have been hurting after non-selection in game 1 and game 2. What does he do? Does he sulk? Does he moan? No. He gets ball in his hand and wins the game for his country. His 10th 4-wicket haul in ODI cricket. Ronnie Talukdar.